Hello everybody, this is the early hours of day 35 of my full knee replacement journey, and I'm wide awake, so I just thought I'd come on and address a couple of things that may help your recovery and may not. It kind of helps mine anyway. So what I found is I can't sleep through the night. I haven't been able to for quite some time. It's getting better, but last night, yes, it was okay. Tonight, I just don't seem to be able to sleep. So, and the knee is aching. So what I found is instead of just sitting here with the knee aching and fighting it and just keep closing your eyes and thinking it will go, it'll go. It ain't gonna go. Just get up, go downstairs if you've got a downstairs, which means you will use your steps to walk down. Walk down in the manner of trying not to hold on. Do it safely, but do it where you're stretching your knee. So instead of laying here sleeping and trying complaining, just walk down the stairs, make yourself a cup of tea, get yourself a fresh glass of water. When that's done, make your way back up the stairs. Now I made my way back up the stairs using no hands, simply because I had tea in one hand and water in the other. And each step was but I pressed on, and that's an ache, and that's also another part of exercise that you can't get away from. You need to get up the stairs, you need to go down the stairs. I'm now sitting here having refreshed myself with a lovely cup of tea, playing a couple of games on my iPad, just settling myself down, and I should go back to sleep. And the leg and the knee is feeling fine. So when it's numbing you through the night, it's just stiffness. There's only one way to get rid of that stiffness: walk it off. So if you're in a bungalow, of course, just get up and walk around. Just walk up and down. I even contemplated doing exercise. Then I thought to myself, no, exercise is for the daytime, not for the nighttime. But I've still done a little bit. I went up the stairs, down the stairs a couple of times. I'm now fine. So I hope this helps. If you've got sleepless nights and it's because of the ache and the numbness, just get up and do a little something. Get back down, and it's almost like a reset. You're back to normal. Go to sleep. I hope this helps. If it does help, please let me know in the comment that it's actually helped. Not you think it's going to help. Once you try it, let me know after you've tried it, so that not just me, because I know it helps me, but everybody else knows also, and we're all here to help each other. Thanks for watching. Love you all.